Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to complete the rest portion of agriculture practices, and this is the third part of the chapter. Now, as we know that the first step is preparation of soil, second step is selection of seed, and the third step is replenishment of nutrient in the soil. Now, the fourth one is irrigation. Irrigation is the basic thing in which the watering of crops are going to be done. It is done by traditional method or modern method. Traditional methods are done by moat, dekli or chain pump. Other modern methods are drip irrigation and sprinkler system. Now, the next step is crop protection. After irrigation, it is very important to protect the crop, and the protection should be done by the weeds which are grown unwanted plant in the field, that is called weeds. And the common weeds in India are Chenopodium, that is Bathua, and Amaranthus, that is Chorai. And the crop protection from the weedicide can be done by three methods. The first one is mechanical method, second one is biological method, and the third one is by chemical method. Mechanical method is a simple method by which weeds are handily put out, and biological method are the method in which specification in the crop by the other organism is going to be done. That example is cactus. Chemical method is the spraying of weedicide, and one of the common weedicide which is used to protect the crop from weeds are 2,4-D dinitrophenoxyacetic acid. The second one is protection from pest and diseases. It is mostly done by any of the spray insecticides. It is going to be protect the crop by rats, locusts, weevils and the termites. And the common insecticides are Gamaxine, Malathion and Dicyston. The next step is harvesting. When the crop are going to be mature, it is going to be cut, and the process called harvesting. After that, storage. When the mature crop is harvested, it is going to be stored in a jute bag or metallic bins or silos for future use. Okay, I hope this topic is helpful for you. Other things are considered in the next video. For today onward, thank you very much.